Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to talk about link scraper and specifically two features of link scraper. One is how it can scrape through the text that is present on websites. It can select which websites or which web pages to go through and what relevant information to pick. And the second use case would be that we would provide it or give access to the metadata of the website, which usually contains information around the trackers or the chatbots that are linked to that website or any third-party services that the current website or the current lead is using. So for demonstrating that, we have picked a sample use case wherein we are selling or trying to do lead qualification for a B2B support chatbot company. We have these 5 prospects for whom we essentially want to do two things. First is classify whether they are a B2B or a B2C company, because we essentially just want to reach out to B2B. And second is whether they have any chatbot present on their website or not, which is usually present on their landing pages. And if it is present, we also extract the name of the chatbot service that is present. Of course, like for both of these, I have already written a prompt. The tool that I have selected is link scrape, and I have provided the website URL column. I have given this basic prompt where I'm basically classifying these prospects into 4 different categories, and based on that I am getting my output in the first column. For the second column, what I'm essentially doing is I'm providing this extra part of the prompt, which essentially directs the link scrape to also take a look at the metadata once it is true. Now, when it is true, I'm telling it to take a look at the metadata code to find out what is the chatbot provider that is used by this company. Now, once I have this template set up, what I essentially then just need to do is select all these rows and I can run them all at once. So once we do that, we'll wait for the results to pop up and let's see what we get. So as you can see, we have got the results for all these 5 rows. As you can see, for the first row, we have got the classification as B2C and the chatbot that is being used as Lime Chat. Similarly for other rows as well. And additionally, for this last column, I had put in a fallback value, wherein we didn't find any chatbots, and essentially where we have not found any, we have got the values as NA. And since my use case was only finding out B2B companies and I'm trying to sell support chatbot to them, so a good lead for me could be either Shopify or like any of these as well, if I'm able to provide a better deal to them. So this is essentially the use case. Here we demonstrated 2 powers of link scraper. Essentially doing one is looking through the text of websites and finding out the information, or looking through the metadata of websites and finding out a particular information. So yeah, that's it. Do try out the tool and do reach out if you face any issues. Thank you.